up to right now?
Rock climbing?
Oh yeah. That's what we're doing, right? Rock climbing. Alright, so we found this crack in a different spot from what we used to do. Harley's gonna try to send it. Kind of goes up, over, and above. So he didn't bring his climbing shoes, so we're about to see what he can do.
Oh, that's how. Yep, right there. Jesus fucking Christ, Joey.
Alright, Harley's gonna try to send our project here again. Let's see. He's doing it no shoes, but not barefoot.
I'm not going barefoot on this shit, Joey. I'm not that committed yet.
I feel like that's gonna add more friction than just your shoes. How was it?
Definitely no shoes is the play.
No shoes is the play.
I kind of like it better with than the actual shoes.
I don't know if I'd do that.
And the socks don't matter, but.
Yeah, I stuck my foot into the crack. If you can stick your foot into the crack and kind of twist it, but in the actual big hole crack and twisting it in. But that's where I think shoes are going to be a huge help, because it's like this, and you're putting your skin into contact with the rock.
No, my skin's fine. Or it feels fine to me, at least.
I guess we'll find out. It's definitely a wide boy style climb right here. Like a Pete Whitaker style climb.
I'm gonna pretend like I know who that is so everybody likes me.
I'm gonna pretend to know who that is.
Yeah. Now, so something flame.
And taught you Hannah how to do crack climbing.
That guy?
Yeah, that guy.
Huh.
There's nothing really for you. It's that right crack that really, the right hole that really helps you. That was crazy. Just kicked a whole rock out. It's a challenge. Yeah, it's hot right here. The sun's like beaming. The sun is literally beaming directly on us.
And we're gonna skip to the part where I chose this one.
Yeah. Yeah. We skipped all that because we weren't recording them.
Exactly. And now they know. So.
And now they know that you picked the wall.
Yeah.
November 18th, 1776. That's definitely Mike, born 1957, still trucking, question mark. Mitch, 1996, August 9th. These are pretty old markings for sure.
Damn. Oh, my foot. Ouch. My feet see.
That was a weird style to get up there.
I mean, this is the nicest way. You should hurry up. I definitely have a cacti in my foot.
Well, listen, you can stop this.
No, it's fine.
I'm just playing around.
No.
Stop and get the cactus.
No. Brother, cameraman never dies. I'll be fine. She'll buff. Maybe, I don't know. Damn. Isn't that one really good rock climber? I don't know his name, but I watched him on that one video. He doesn't wear shoes.
Barefoot Charles?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, just bring your feet up.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Bottom up here, holy shit. That actually was by far the scariest.
Really? I don't think no.
Yeah.
You think
I
so?
almost fucking fell off the side of the rock, bro. If my hand didn't grab on that top right, I would have fucking fallen. I'm not even bullshitting you.
I don't know.
That was so fucking lucky. Holy fuck.
See? Near-death experience. Clickbait.
That is scary. Because my knee wasn't solid on that. Nothing was solid on that. Alright, want to try to send it again?
No, not really, but yeah.
No, not really, but yeah. Can't do it.
That's gay. That's really fucking gay.
Coming down. What do you rate it?
Sorry.
Yeah.